The story of the red elephant, a new adventure. After winning the race, Roshan, the red elephant, had earned his place in the jungle. Everyone knew him and admired his bravery. However, deep in his heart, he started feeling a new desire. He wondered, is the world outside the jungle just like this? Will the animals out there accept my uniqueness as well? One day, Bujurg Kachwa, the wise old tortoise of the jungle, approached Roshan and said, Roshan, you've achieved a lot within the jungle, but if you really want to test your strength, venture outside. There is a dangerous mountain no animal has ever crossed. If you manage to reach the top, your bravery will be remembered forever. Roshan decided to accept the challenge. He invited his best friend, a small mouse, to join him. The mouse was always by his side and happily agreed to go along. The two began their journey, with all the animals of the jungle gathering to bid them farewell. You are our hope, Roshan. Make sure to return, they encouraged him. Once they left the jungle, they encountered the unfamiliar world outside. The land was rough and dry, filled with large boulders and harsh winds. Yet, Roshan and the mouse were determined to complete their mission. Throughout the journey, Roshan and the mouse encountered many challenges. One day, they reached the edge of a deep ravine. The mouse could easily jump across, but for Roshan, it seemed impossible. The mouse said, Roshan, I can't leave you behind. We need to find another way. Roshan looked around and spotted an old, rickety bridge. Though it looked dangerous, it was their only option. Roshan stretched out his trunk and carefully stepped onto the bridge. The old wood creaked, but Roshan didn't give up. Step by step, he moved forward, and finally, both Roshan and the mouse made it across safely. After many days of travel, they arrived at the foot of the mountain that the wise tortoise had spoken of. The peak of the mountain was hidden in clouds, and climbing it seemed impossible. But Roshan, remembering the strength he had shown during the race, believed in his uniqueness. He told the mouse, we can do this, one step at a time. The climb was difficult. The path was jagged, and the mountain's rocks were sharp. But Roshan used his strength, and the mouse cheered him on from his shoulder. After hours of hard work, they neared the summit of the mountain. However, one final challenge awaited them. Just before reaching the summit, a violent storm hit. Strong winds howled, and snow began to fall. The mouse hid behind Roshan, while Roshan, closing his eyes, determined to keep moving forward. We're so close, we can't give up now. Roshan encouraged himself. Amid the storm, a large tree crashed down, blocking their path. Roshan gathered all his strength and tried to lift the tree with his trunk. The mouse, too, used his small strength to help. After a few tense moments, Roshan managed to move the tree, clearing the way forward. Finally, Roshan and the mouse reached the summit of the mountain. The view was breathtaking. They could see the entire jungle below, and above them, the sky was clear and blue. For the first time, Roshan felt a deep sense of satisfaction in his heart. He had proven not just to others, but to himself, that being unique was his greatest strength. The mouse jumped excitedly on Roshan's shoulder and said, we did it. You truly are the bravest and most unique of all. After their successful journey, Roshan and the mouse returned to the jungle. When the other animals heard their story, they were amazed. Roshan was now the hero of the jungle, and his story of uniqueness and bravery spread throughout the land. But for Roshan, this wasn't the end. He knew that life would always bring new challenges, and he would face each one with his own unique approach. He had learned that the greatest power in the world is to embrace who you truly are and proudly accept your individuality. Thus, Roshan, the red elephant, became a symbol of uniqueness, friendship, and courage, both in the jungle and in the world beyond.